Qigong routine for better resting and sleeping, to let go all worries and our thinking. So you can apply this Qigong just right before you go to bed. It takes about 15 minutes to practice. So today we have a Qigong routine for better resting and sleeping. In this Qigong routine, we'll have to relax our head and to do some kind of simple acupressure to sleep very well, but also to do some movement. So to relax and to let go all worries and our thinking. So you can apply this Qigong just right before you go to bed. It takes about 15 minutes to practice. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, bring mind back to body. Relax our face, relax our head, relax our shoulders. We put our palms one on the top of another. Okay. To relax and feel comfortable. Back upright and relax. The shoulders relax and drop a little bit. You feel the rising and falling of the abdomen. Okay, so massage the two palms until you feel warm. Okay. And then you can massage your face. Breathing in and breathing out through the nose, and you feel relaxed and natural. Then you can massage your forehead. To use 10 fingers to put on your scalp, your head. Look like you brush your hair, okay? Your head. Brush down. Release all thoughts, worries, okay? No thinking. You don't need to think. Just relax and feel your breathing. Allow your brain to relax. You can put your two hands, two palms on your head, right? And your scope like this, and then two thumbs at the end, beside your neck, okay? Beside your neck. And this one is right here, under your scope. You press it and release it. Do that 30 times. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Press it and release it. So we can press this point, help to relax our head and sleep well, okay? But also keep your body healthy too. You press and then release it. Do 20 times. You can count until 30 times. That's good. And then use your right palm to massage your neck. Relax your neck and your neck. And do for 10 times. And we change to another side. That's good. You can hold in your two palms together in front of you. You use your left palm holding your right palms. And then you breathe in, close your eye and look up. Bend your neck in the back. Breathing out. You move down, forward, and bend your neck front to front. Okay? Go down, in, up, out, and down. You may close your eye in. Relax your neck. Out. Allow your neck to relax and rest. So you release tensions from your neck and your chest. Breathing in, up, bend the back. Breathing out, move down and bend forward. Relax your neck and your hands, your back straight. You can do that for 10 times. Exhale. Take about from 10 to 15 minutes to practice this Qigong for better resting and sleeping. So please doing that before you go to bed, and I think hopefully you can sleep better. Thank you so much for joining us today, and hopefully you enjoy it and have a wonderful sleep.